So this is what we normally see in songs. We see two staves, and then when they're stacked on top of each other, that means that we play them all at the same time. So these are all C major chords, by the way. We're just gonna play both hands, both hands, both hands, and then we'll do it again, and then we'll repeat. So still half notes and still whole notes, 2 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 again, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then whole notes for the last section. So for this one, we are going to have both hands ready. So C4 on middle C here. Remember, it's C where you have 2 black notes right before that. So just make sure your thumb is on there and you have all 5 fingers down on each key. And then C here. So now before we start it, just make sure that you're able to do the chords with both hands. And just make sure that you can sound all 3 notes at the same time. Okay, so let's try it. I'm gonna count 3, 4, and then we'll begin. So just kind of practice a little bit to make sure that you're able to sound all chords without doing this or this. Just make sure everything's nice, firm, and strong. Okay, so I'll count 3, 4, and then we'll begin. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. Repeat.